Hello guys, good morning to all of you. This is Maggie Raj here and now you are watching my YouTube channel Physics Panda by Maggie Sir. So please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for updating me with you forever. And today we are going to get discuss about the nucleus. So let's be ready for the reading nucleus. Okay. So what are the charges? Okay. Of electron, proton, neutron and alpha particle. So according to this we will discuss about the charges of each, about the electron, proton, neutron and alpha particle. So let me discuss here first of all this name of particles like electron, proton, neutron and alpha particle. So its symbol is denoted by E or E minus. Okay, proton P, neutron N and alpha particle alpha. Okay, so its formula is -1 E0 or -1 beta 0. This is 1p1, this is written as 0n1 and this is 2he4. Okay, its charge is -1.6 into 10 power -19 coulomb. For proton is same but positive charge, -19 coulomb, and neutron is neutral and alpha particle is positively but double of the proton. These are the charges: electron, proton, neutron and alpha particle. And mass in electron 9.1 into 10 power -31 kg, proton 1.67 into 10 power -27, neutron 1.67 into 10 power -27 and alpha particle 6.6 into 10 power -27 kg. So in this way these particles, electron, proton, neutron and alpha particle, these are the symbol, these are the formulae, charges and masses for all the particles. So now let me discuss here the uses of protons. Okay, sorry, neutrons. So what will use of the neutrons in the nucleus? So neutrons, uses of neutrons, it uses in the nuclear fission. Number one, neutrons uses in the nuclear fission and research work of the neutrons. Okay, so research works of the neutron and treatment in the cancers. So neutron used in the nuclear fission reaction. Okay, the research of the neutrons and the treatment of the cancer. Okay, so these are the uses of neutrons. And now how can you solve the electron, proton, neutron atomic number and mass number? So let me consider this is an atom like X, whose atomic number, and this is mass number. So this is atomic number and this is mass number or atomic mass. Okay, atomic mass, and this atom is denoted X. Okay, so Z equals to E equals to P. जो एटॉमिक नंबर होता है वो नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स और नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स के इक्वल होता है, और जो मास नंबर होता है ये प्रोटॉन्स और न्यूट्रॉन का सम होता है. सो प्रोटॉन इज इक्वल टू जेड, सो इट कैन रिटन एज ए माइनस जेड इक्वल टू एन. सो इस तरीके से हम इलेक्ट्रॉन, प्रोटॉन और न्यूट्रॉन्स के नंबर निकाल सकते हैं. सो फॉर एन एग्जांपल जैसे ये लिखा है 8O17, सो दिस इज जेड and this is 8. So Z equals to 8, A equals to 17 and electron is equals to proton equals to Z, that is 8, and neutron is equals to A minus Z, it means 17 minus 8. Okay, So these are 9. So in this way we can solve the number of electrons, protons, neutrons, atomic number and the mass number of any atom. Okay. Now in which way we can solve the stability of the nucleus? So now stability of nucleus. So for any nucleus, if n by p greater than or equals to 1.5, then nucleus will be unstable, like 92 uranium 235. So here you know that Z equals to P equals to E equals to 92 and N equals to A minus Z means 235 minus 92. So 235 में 92 माइनस करेंगे, so that is equals to 143. So the value of N by P, it is equals to 143 upon 92, and after the solving it will be equals to 1.55. Okay, approximately it will equals to 1.55. So this is also unstable nucleus. Okay, unstable nuclei. And if N by P equals to 1, then nucleus will be stable. तो ये क्या होगा? स्टेबल न्यूक्लियाई होगा अगर न्यूट्रॉन बाई प्रोटॉन की वैल्यू इक्वल्स टू 1 आए तो एग्जांपल देखते हैं. एग्जांपल 20 कैल्शियम 40. इसके लिए Z की वैल्यू इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड प्रोटॉन दैट इज 20 and N equals to 40 minus 20 that is 20. So that N by P is equals to 20 by 20 that is 1. So we can say that this is a stable nucleus. So nucleus of the calcium atom is the stable and here the nucleus of the uranium atom is unstable. So in this way we can solve the stability of any nucleus. And now we will discuss about the relation of radius and mass number. Okay, so relation between radius of atom and mass number. Okay, so according to here, this is the nucleus. So, and this is an atom where this is nucleus. Okay, so here if we consider the radius of the nucleus is r and a is the mass number. Okay, so in this way we can say that this volume of the nucleus directly proportional to its mass. So according to this we can say that R proportional A power 1 by 3. So simply we can say that R equals to R naught A power 1 by 3, where R naught is equals to the 1.2 into 10 power minus 15 meter. This is the radius of the nucleus for first cell. So in this way, this is the relation between the radius and mass number. So now if we want to solve the density, okay, so density is equals to, you know that rho is equals to mass upon volume. So you know that mass is A that is in the form of atomic mass unit. So if we convert it into kg, so it will be equals to this kg, and volume is equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube, and you know that r equals to r naught a to power 1 by 3, so r cube equals to r naught cube a. Okay, so we can put this is equals to a into 1.67 into 10 power minus 27 अपॉन ये 3 ऊपर आ जाएगा 4 पाई इंटू आर की जगह हम आर नॉट क्यूब आर नॉट 1.2 इंटू 10 पावर माइनस 15 क्यूब ए, ऐसे कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा। इसको सॉल्व कर देंगे इंटू 10 पावर माइनस 27 अपॉन 12.56 इंटू 1.2 इंटू 10 पावर माइनस 15 होल क्यूब। अब इसको अगर हम सॉल्व कर देते हैं तो इसकी वैल्यू आ जाएगी 2.38 इंटू 10 पावर अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 17 kg पर मीटर क्यूब। ध्यान रखिएगा इसको हमने किलोग्राम पर मीटर क्यूब में कैलकुलेट किया। सो दिस इज द डेंसिटी ऑफ द न्यूक्लियस। सो इन दिस वे वी कैन सॉल्व द डेंसिटी ऑफ द nucleus. So this that is equal to 2.38 into 10 power 17 kilogram per meter cube.